台湾看世界，来看中国中央军事委员会副主席张又侠，因为食钱防逮捕心理，引发着外界的关切。学者来分析，讲习近平当咧为伊的权力布局。有实战经验甲红二代背景的张又侠，恐惊已经威胁到伊的政权。讲习近平处理张又侠是要清除掉顶路石。美国总统川普嘛做出着回应，讲这件代志会当证明中国只有一个头家，迄个就是习近平。伫咧中国军界地位敢若较过习近平的中央军委副主席张又侠，和中共称颂有落台。人伫咧空军1号的美国总统 Trump 认为，这敢若证明一件代志。
As far as I'm concerned, there's one boss in China. That's President Xi. That's the person of him. I think President Xi is the boss. I watch it very closely. He's highly respected in China. He's the boss.
用头家来形容习近平伫咧党内甲中国的地位，学者认为张又侠有宝贵的实战经验，有红二代的身份，各方面拢对习近平未来可能的第4个任期有威胁。
No China watcher, serious China watcher that I know, believes that this is about corruption or believes that it's about nuclear secrets. They think it's a power play.
中国解放军部今仔日的版面嘛连续第3天发表评论文章，用强烈的使命担当攻坚奋进做主题，讲查处张又侠是为着清除政变甲顶路石，爱全军的官兵甲思想甲行动同一个习近平重大决策的部署，甚至伫咧文章的后半讲到做好随时休战的准备。
This really demonstrates nobody in that system is safe, truly. Getting rid of somebody he's known for so long and talking about him violating the chairman responsibility system does make me wonder, is he starting to veer more into kind of a paranoid dictator?
张又侠和政治清算，和美国失去对中国联络的对象，恐惊和强军判断错误局势风险情权和台海安全和稳定进入无确定期。
中国军队在党的坚强领导下，始终秉持开放合作理念。将继续与各国军队开展对话交流，深化军事互信。
张又侠防有落台，引发国际关注。反贪腐行动的背后，甲中共政治斗争的讲法是夜夜飞。
Hello， 我是蒋欣梅。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。